how to use Scrapy and integrate proxies. First, make sure to install pip, Python and Visual Studio Code or another integrated development environment that supports Python. Then open Terminal and install Scrapy. You can see the necessary command on your screen. After that, navigate to the folder where you want to create your project and start a project as shown on the screen. Make sure to replace folder and project names. Now go to the project folder and generate a spider. When this is done, you need to modify the code to retrieve the necessary details. For example, in our case, we want to scrape the data impulse block and collect all the article titles. Then in our spiders file block titles.py, we define the starting URL, parse method, and what we want to scrape. Next, we change the middlewares.py file, and that's when we add proxies. Remember to use your actual credentials here. You can copy and paste them from your data impulse account. Then it's time to modify settings.py to enable middleware. Other parameters such as HTTP caching or pipelines can also be adjusted here. To run your spider, open Terminal, navigate your projects folder and run your spider. You can see the corresponding command on your screen now. It also defines where the spider saves all the data it collects. That's all it takes to use Scrapy with proxies. In this guide we kept it simple. However, Scrapy is easy to customize, so feel free to experiment. If you need the whole piece of code we used here, please follow the link to this video's description. We have a detailed guide on our blog where you can copy the code. Leave a comment, like and subscribe to see our next useful tutorials. And see you in the next videos.